Today we're gonna talk about bringing extinct animals back to life. Today we got a special guest all the way from Sweden, a science journalist who just published her latest book, The Return of the Mammoth. Introducing Toril Kornfeld. So I want to have a woolly mammoth as a pet. What do I do?
So the first thing you have to do is find a very well preserved mammoth bone. And then you analyze the DNA that is in the bone. And in that DNA, you try to find the genes that are specific for the mammoth. So the hair and the fat under the skin and a small tail. Then you make synthetic copies of these genes and put them into elephant cells. And that is where the research is today. But the next step, of course, is actually taking these cells and turning them into baby mammoths. It will be very, very difficult to have these babies being born without problems for the mothers or the baby. So that is the big problems that is still left in making the woolly mammoth. There is actually some research being done in other species as well. So the mammoth is not the only species that researchers are trying to bring back. One of the reasons why mammoths is chosen is because there is some very, very good DNA that is found from mammoths, and also because it's such an amazing animal. But from a scientific standpoint, it would of course be equally impressive to bring back an Ice Age bunny or an Ice Age rat. The researchers who are working with these projects, they find out so much about genetics and about embryology and about development. And I think there is a really true value in these research projects independently of whether or not they produce one of these resurrected animals or not. And I think that is one of the good reasons to keep these projects going.